Good morning, folks, and welcome back to this episode of Learning is Power. Today, I have a special guest. With me, Madre Monte, or Mother Nature.
Hello, Diego.
Hello, Mother Nature. So, Mother Nature, I have a few questions for you. So, let's start. How can you survive without eating anyone?
Well, I do photosynthesis, that is a process with two reactions, the light-dependent reaction and the light-independent reaction. In this process, my goal is to make glucose and oxygen.
So, your overall reaction is make oxygen and glucose?
Yes, I can make those with these reactants, the sunlight and the carbon dioxide and water.
Nice! So your energy came from these three things. Second question. I hear that you can use some pigments in the photosynthesis. Which ones are involved in it?
Good question. The pigment involves the chlorophyll. This is one. Is why I am well green. And this one is found in the chloroplasts. That is the organelle that the eukaryotic plant cells have.
Interesting. But if you use sunlight, you make oxygen and glucose, and all that happens in the chloroplasts, there is any color of light, will you, do the same, or it can change depending on the color?
No, it changes. The most effective are the blue to violet range and the orange to red range. Since violet wavelengths have the most energy in the visible light range, due to their shorter wavelengths, they can provide the maximum energy for photosynthesis.
Wow! You're getting more complex after every question, don't you? But I like it. Next question. Later, you mentioned two reactions. One that uses this light and one that do not use it. Each of them occurs in the chloroplast, but there is like a special place for it, or how does this work?
Yes, these two occur in two different parts of the chloroplasts and the thylakoids, and in the stroma. The light-dependent occurs in the thylakoids and in the three steps. The light-independent in the stroma, that is only one step called Calvin cycle.
Magnificent. And when do you use these two reactions? You need light, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and you produce glucose, oxygen, and ATP. What happened with all this during the photosynthesis, and where it is?
Well, I use the reactants as a source of energy, and the products are used to make sugar, my meal, and the oxygen to help you to live and breathe well.
Incredible, Mother Nature. I learned more about photosynthesis. Thank you.
You are so welcome. I love to teach.
Well, our time is over, so see you in the next one.
Bye. Thank you for the invitation and take care of the nature.
So there you all have it, folks. The photosynthesis is more complex and that just make oxygen for us. So see you in the next one, learning right, and do not forget, learning is power. Bye.